Next, we'll demonstrate the lazy daisy stitch. Let's start with the left one. Using 4 strands of color number 8. First, bring up at the small circle's edge. Then, insert at the adjacent spot. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Then, bring up above the pattern. Insert along the outer edge. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up here. Insert at the adjacent spot. Don't pull tight. Bring up at the center point above. Then, insert along the outer edge. Each stitch forms an independent loop, not connected to other stitches. After stitching, add French knots in the middle, making the flower fuller and richer. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at this flower pattern beside. It looks a bit more complex, but uses the same technique, just with more petals in the design. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 4. Similarly, bring up at the leaf base. Insert at the adjacent spot. Don't pull tight. Bring up at the top point. Insert along the outer edge. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Ensure stitches are securely connected. This creates independent petal-shaped stitches. In everyday embroidery, lazy daisy stitch can be used to create flowers or as leaf accents. It's a widely used stitch. Insert. Then move the needle to the middle circle. We can add French knots as flower center accents. Wrap twice around the needle, then insert at the center point. Following these steps, add French knots to each small circle, filling the circles. This makes the flower shape fuller. The lazy daisy stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.